Hi, everyone. My name is Katrina and I'm a UCLA Anderson FEMBA 2021. I chose UCLA Anderson and specifically the fully employed MBA program for two reasons. I knew that I wanted to get my degree from a top school, one that had deep roots in my industry of interest and would help expand my professional network. And I wanted to sharpen my understanding of how business was done in other industries and in other countries. Anderson provided ample global learning opportunities, and the FEMBA program specifically allowed for me to be in a class setting with actively working professionals who could share insights into how things were done within their respective firms and industries. I chose the Global Access Program for my field study because I knew that taking an existing business and helping shape its strategy was more applicable to my career trajectory. And I wanted firsthand experience working with an international company and learning more about how their business functioned outside of the United States. So for my GAP project, I worked with a New Zealand-based company that was looking to expand its footprint within the American civil construction industry. The purpose of our project was to determine whether there was a product market fit for their unique technology, which segment of the construction industry was best suited for it, what geographic areas might be viable for that expansion, and how all of this ultimately shaped attractive financial returns in the timeline that the client desired. This was an incredible experience for me and my team. It's definitely a uniquely challenging but highly rewarding project. Having just completed GAP, one of the biggest learnings that I've had has really been deepening my understanding of how to take a business or an area of the business and scale it in a way that is supported by data and financial projections. GAP allowed for us to take on roles that were effectively management consultant roles, and I didn't have to wear a specialist hat, but rather a much broader business hat. And what I think that helps me with in the future is being that much more effective at identifying opportunities and potential in any job that I'm in, and being not just the specialist who executes against a greater vision, but being a voice who helps find, develop, and set that greater vision. I definitely look forward to taking these learnings into my post-MBA chapter. I've been in the entertainment industry for a little over a decade, and I have extensive experience on the creative side of the business, which I'm planning to complement with my MBA to take on the constantly changing industry landscape and help build new and innovative content experiences. I'm absolutely honored to be selected by the faculty as a Voice of FEMBA for GAP. I hope that in sharing my story, I have helped answer some of the lingering questions you might have about whether or not UCLA Anderson or FEMBA or the GAP program might be the right fit for you. If what you're looking for is a broadened perspective on global business or a strong alumni network across top tier companies or the flexibility to continue working while getting your MBA, then Anderson should meet all of your expectations in the same way that it has definitely exceeded mine.